Hi everyone, it's me, Mr. Bollox, and today we do the commercial on weegee alarm clock. Ring ring. You got wondering what is weegee alarm clock can do? Well, I gotta tell you. What is it? She's gonna wake you up. Ring ring, weegee alarm clock. Ah! Oh my god. And she can just more and take a look. What we begin and start with is talking to this little swan chair. She's talking back to you. Alright, let's look what people doing. La 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 la. Oh. La. Can we take Diary of Apple? I don't know, stupid girl. Ah! La 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 la. Can we eat apple? No. Ah! La la la. Tell me a funny joke. Your mother's stinking. Your mother's stinking? No, you. No, you're. No, you're. No, you're. Alright, my mother's stinking. La 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 la. Would that be big? I get a girlfriend? No. You are broke and don't have money and don't have a girlfriend and you smell don't doing. Ah! La 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 la. How about Chuck E. Cheese so we can out with a Chucky? I got a Chucky you. Ah! Wow, so amazing. Well, this is the end of weegee alarm clock commercial and see you soon. Thanks for watching. Ah! Get off me, Toad! Don't take weegee alarm clock. Get out. Take weegee alarm clock. No, don't take weegee alarm clock. Please don't take